Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to various Sketchup Guru channel guys. And in this tutorial we will discuss how to create a smoother circle and how to create a smoother cylinder. And here we will also discuss some unknown trick that is called a circle tricks guys. So here you can see that I have drawn all geometry just using a circle. Okay, you don't have to click over here and click out the polygon option. Okay, you just create all the geometry just using with the circle. Okay guys, so if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for latest update guys. So let's start. So what will have to do guys, first when you will click on a circle, it always start with 24 segments, just like that. You can see this is the 24 segment circle. When you will double click here, you can see this is your segments that are showing over here. But if you want a smoother circle like that, you have to just press C and you have to uh, type the side over. You can see this is the side option that's given here. You have to type a 72. Okay, 24 times n. It means if you want a more smoother circle edges, you have to type more numbers. So here I am typing 24 times 3 and it means 72. Okay, then hit enter button. Okay, then draw a circle. Okay guys, first C, then 72, then enter, and then draw a circle, then extrude it. Now you can see this is a less number in it and it's more smoother than this one. Okay, now other one that is called SketchUp circle trick. When you will press C with this sides, by defining a sides you can create a different kind of polygons also, like if you want a hexagon, type 6 and enter. And if you want to create a square, then type 4 and enter guys. This is your square shapes. You can create a square just using this circle tool. You have to just define a side only. Then again type C and type 3, and this time you will able to create a prism after extruding an triangle in a 2D form, just like that. You can see all the geometry are formed just using this circle tool only, just defining a side guys. Okay, so any kind of side that you can draw here. Just if you want an octagon, just type 8 and enter. This is your octagon guys. Okay, so I don't think you know these tricks before guys, and if you really like my videos, please subscribe and share between the SketchUp users. And if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment in comment section guys. And thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial guys. Thank you.